start gusting. You gotta really hold on to the wheel. It's just getting a little crazy, you know? Whoa, whoa, high winds, very high winds. Taking my time, watching the signage, especially stop signs, the whole bit. This reduced visibility, you really got to be quite sharp out here, especially with the wind blowing the rain almost horizontally. It's so strong. As these intense thunderstorms move through this area. Got some other people holding off. Not going any further up the road. Got their flashers on. I don't see how it can keep up like this, sustained, as long as it has. I'm rather surprised. But there are quite a few storms basically behind this line. Creating these conditions. Once again, I may have to pull over. The wind is the main issue, basically here, as well as the reduced visibility.